Alright, I'm about a mile from my destination. Rainy days. Must be really more than I bargained for. But I'm really actually not saying that.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto North State Road 7.
Oh, thank you. 1/4 mile to my destination. I mean, that was really something else. The thing is, I'm used to having tall vehicles too, like trucks. My F-350 could go through anything, but
turn left onto North State Road 7, then turn right.
Where's that at? Right there. The road I want to hit, yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. This is a shortcut into there. I remember coming here before. Alright, well, that was interesting, huh? Look how deep that water is right there. Look at that, going into there. Look at how deep that is.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
See, I had trucks driving it through that. Steamboating. These are swaled areas, so you know you're like, alright. That was extremely interesting, that journey to this public. Wow. Oh, I don't like putting my cars through that kind of stuff, stress. Me personally, I don't mind, but the car itself doesn't like that.
Your destination is on the left.
No car enjoys that.